Hello, I'm Ann with Clinton Parkway Nursery, and today we're going to talk about crabgrass preventer. But I want to talk about specific crabgrass preventer. This one here in the blue bag is called Crabgrass Preventer with Dimension. And crabgrass preventers actually prevent more than just crabgrass. They'll prevent grassy weeds. Grassy weeds is the key, not broadleaf weeds. So they do absolutely nothing to like dandelion, henbit, chickweed, except they will feed them. Okay, so you probably don't want them. That's why you're putting this down. Okay, a preventer means it's got to be put down before the seed starts to germinate. Okay, now the Dimension has a little bit of characteristics that's kind of cool because it actually will kill young crabgrass seedlings. They say in the 3 to 4 leaflet stage. So it's very little guys, but it will kill them. Okay, this can be used on grass or on lawns that you reseeded last fall. There's other ones that if you reseeded last fall, this is the only crabgrass preventer we have that will work. The other ones are too strong. They'll knock out the baby grass. Even though it was planted last fall, it's still too tender. So this one is crabgrass for I'm going to say new lawns as well as existing. If you have been a little lax and you haven't gotten your other one on, there's another one that works very well called For All Seasons, but it lasts longer. And if it's after the first part of April, this is the one you need to use because the other one will last too long and you'll have problems down the road. So new grass that was seeded last fall, it actually has a label for seeding in the spring, but I probably wouldn't really do it because I don't trust it. And then, or if you're a little bit late, Crabgrass Preventer, the Fertilome Crabgrass Preventer plus Dimension. Thanks for listening. We're at the corner, we're with Clinton Parkway Nursery. We're at the corner of Clinton Parkway and Wakarusa. Watch for the flowers on the roof.